You are in Fairfax County's Emergency Operations Center, and we are conducting an exercise today. We're testing the county's and the region's ability to respond to events that may be associated with the World Police Fire Games 2015. World Police Fire Games are very big. We have at least 12,000 athletes they're expecting here. It's the third largest athletic event in the world, behind the Olympics.
It's on generator power. There are 58 patients with 5.
The emergency event that's being simulated today, unfortunately we have a weather event that moves through the area that causes significant damage not only to Fairfax County, but specifically to the games at George Mason University. So we bring all these people together because we have an opportunity to work out all the kinks, just managing the games themselves, and then we work out the communications and the coordination that would be necessary if we do have a large emergency event that occurs while the games are in operation. This is important for Fairfax County because we fight like we train. So as we are exercising here today, it allows us to build those relationships, determine policy, and so that when something does happen, we are prepared and we can best serve our residents.